Secrets of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful technology based on artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, generate texts, engage in conversations, and assist users in many areas. But what makes ChatGPT so special? How does it work? And what secrets does it hide within? In this article, I will try to reveal the main principles behind its operation and the nuances that most users may not notice. The basics of how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is a machine learning model based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture designed specifically for processing and generating natural language. This model is trained on vast amounts of textual data to understand context and build meaningful responses. However, the real secret lies in how it utilizes this experience. The chatbot is trained on a huge volume of texts, but it does not memorize specific conversations or facts. Its task is to generate new responses based on probabilities. The model predicts which word, phrase, or answer is most likely to fit the given context. This gives it flexibility, but not absolute precision. Adaptability. One of the key aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to adapt to the user's style and manner of communication. If you write formally, ChatGPT will respond formally. If the tone is more casual, it can relax as well. This ability is based on data analysis, where the model reads the context, style, and even the emotional undertone of the messages. However, despite this adaptation, ChatGPT does not have emotions or consciousness of its own. All responses are built on logical structures and predictions, not personal experience or moods. Limitations and shortcomings. While ChatGPT may seem smart and capable of having quite meaningful conversations, it has its limitations. For instance, it cannot remember information from previous sessions. Every conversation is a new task for it, where it doesn't know what was said before, unless specifically trained to recall that context. Another important aspect is that ChatGPT does not understand the world on a conscious level. It simply processes text and outputs the most likely response. Therefore, it can make mistakes or provide inaccurate information, especially if the question is complex or requires factual analysis. It does not think like a human, but only simulates the logic of human speech. Evolution and training. ChatGPT has gone through multiple stages of improvement, and a key role here is played by a technology called transformers. This system allows it to process text not sequentially, but to consider relationships between words over long distances. This is precisely why ChatGPT can maintain longer contexts and generate meaningful responses. The model is trained on text from various sources: books, articles, forums, websites, dialogues, and other text on the internet. It is important to understand that ChatGPT does not read them directly while interacting with the user, but uses processed data to predict and form responses. Ethical aspects and privacy secrets. ChatGPT is developed with high ethical and privacy standards. The model does not store specific conversations to maintain user confidentiality. However, this also means that it cannot assist with tasks requiring long-term memory. Each new query is processed independently. There are also built-in limitations to ChatGPT's functionality, designed to avoid harmful or inappropriate responses. If you ask about dangerous actions, aggression, or other undesirable topics, the model will either avoid answering or offer a safe and neutral response. Interaction tricks and secrets. To use ChatGPT to its fullest potential, it's essential to understand a few tricks. Context. The more information you provide, the more accurate and detailed the response. If a question is asked without context, the bot may give a more general answer. Follow-up questions. Sometimes, the model offers overly general answers. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions to get a more detailed or specific response. Multitasking. ChatGPT can generate text for various purposes, from writing articles to creating story plots. The model can be adjusted for different requests and goals. Interactivity. You can use the chat not only to obtain information, but also for creative collaboration. For example, you can co-write stories with the bot or brainstorm ideas for projects. The future of ChatGPT. Interestingly, the capabilities of systems like ChatGPT will only expand. In the future, Artificial intelligence will not only answer questions but also assist in more complex processes, from automating routine tasks to creative work. However, it's important to remember that, despite its apparent intelligence, AI remains a tool to help people, not replace them. In conclusion, the secrets of ChatGPT lie in its algorithms, its training on massive datasets, and its ability to adapt to user requests. It is a technology that continues to evolve, opening up more and more opportunities for interaction between humans and artificial intelligence.